Urinary system. Kidney. Kidney. Cortex. Cortex. Medulla. Medulla. Hilum. Hilum. Calyx. Calyx. Renal pelvis. Renal pelvis. Nephron. Nephron. Glomerulus. Glomerulus. Convoluted tubule. Convoluted tubule. Bowman capsule. Bowman capsule. Proximal tubule. Proximal tubule. Henle loop. Henle loop. Distal tubule. Distal tubule. Collecting tubule. Collecting tubule. Ureter. Ureter. Bladder. Bladder. Vesical trigone. Vesical trigone. Internal urethral orifice. Internal urethral orifice. Ureteral opening. Ureteral opening. Urethra. Urethra. Urethral meatus. Urethral meatus. Urine. Urine. Urea. Urea. Creatine. Creatine. Azotemia. Azotemia. Dysuria. Dysuria. Enuresis. Enuresis. Nocturnal enuresis. Nocturnal enuresis. Incontinence. Incontinence. Urinary incontinence. Urinary incontinence. Stress urinary incontinence. Stress urinary incontinence. Urinary frequency. Urinary frequency. Micturition. Micturition. Voiding. Voiding. Urination. Urination. Anuria. Anuria. Oliguria. Oliguria. Polyuria. Polyuria. Pyuria. Pyuria. Hematuria. Hematuria. Proteinuria. Proteinuria. Albuminuria. Albuminuria. Glycosuria. Glycosuria. Nocturia. Nocturia. Uremia. Uremia. Ureteral spasm. Ureteral spasm. Fused kidney. Fused kidney. Horseshoe kidney. Horseshoe kidney. Polycystic kidney. Polycystic kidney. Supernumerary kidney. Supernumerary kidney. Glomerulitis. Glomerulitis. Glomerulonephritis. Glomerulonephritis. Nephritis. Nephritis. Pyelonephritis. Pyelonephritis. Nephrolithiasis. Nephrolithiasis. Nephrotic syndrome. Nephrotic syndrome. Nephrosis. Nephrosis. Hydronephrosis. Hydronephrosis. Renal failure. Renal failure. Acute renal failure. Acute renal failure. Chronic renal failure. Chronic renal failure. Renal cancer. Renal cancer. Renal cell carcinoma. Renal cell carcinoma. Wilms tumor. Wilms tumor. Nephromegaly. Nephromegaly. Nephroptosis. Nephroptosis. Ureteritis. Ureteritis. Ureterolithiasis. Ureterolithiasis. Hydroureter. Hydroureter. Pyorter. Pyorter. Ureterostenosis. Ureterostenosis. Cystitis. Cystitis. Bladder cancer. Bladder cancer. Irritable bladder. Irritable bladder. Vesicovaginal fistula. Vesicovaginal fistula. Vesicorectal fistula. Vesicorectal fistula. Cystolithiasis. Cystolithiasis. Urethritis. Urethritis. Erythrocystitis. Erythrocystitis. Urethral stricture. Urethral stricture. Hypospadias. Hypospadias. Epispadias. Epispadias. Urinary tract infection. Urinary tract infection. Renal biopsy. Renal biopsy. Intravenous pyelography. Intravenous pyelography. Kidney ureter and bladder. Kidney ureter and bladder. Retrograde pyelography. Retrograde pyelography. Voiding cystourethropy. Voiding cystourethropy. Urinalysis. Urinalysis. Urine culture and sensitivity. Urine culture and sensitivity. Blood urea nitrogen. Blood urea nitrogen. Serum creatinine. Serum creatinine. Urine creatinine. Urine creatinine. Creatinine clearance test. Creatinine clearance test. Nephrectomy. Nephrectomy. Heminephrectomy. Heminephrectomy. Nephrolysis. Nephrolysis. Nephropexy. Nephropexy. Nephrolithotomy. Nephrolithotomy. Pyelotomy. Pyelotomy. Nephrorrhaphy. Nephrorrhaphy. Pyeloplasty. Pyeloplasty. Kidney transplantation. Kidney transplantation. Dialysis. Dialysis. Peritoneal dialysis. Peritoneal dialysis. Hemodialysis. Hemodialysis. Lithotripsy. Lithotripsy. Extracorporeal shock wave lithotripsy. Extracorporeal shock wave lithotripsy. Nephrostomy. Nephrostomy. Ureterectomy. Ureterectomy. Ureterolysis. Ureterolysis. Ureterolithotomy. Ureterolithotomy. Ureterostomy. Ureterostomy. Ureterovesicoplasty. Ureterovesicoplasty. Cystectomy. Cystectomy. Cystoscopy. Cystoscopy. Urinary catheterization. Urinary catheterization. Straight catheter. Straight catheter. Foley catheter. Foley catheter. Suprapubic catheter. Suprapubic catheter. Meatotomy. Meatotomy. Urethrotomy. Urethrotomy. Cystostomy. Cystostomy. Urinary diversion. Urinary diversion. Urethroplasty. Urethroplasty. Urethroorrhaphy. Urethroorrhaphy. Analgesic. Analgesic. Antibiotic. Antibiotic. Antispasmodic. Antispasmodic. Diuretic. Diuretic.